Hello students, this is the question from your textbook, page number 81. The title of the question is Piggy Bank. Here the boy Akhtar is counting his piggy bank to whatever he saved the money, that money he wants to give to his parents. So here one by one he done the tally mark, like here the number of notes and coins he found in his piggy bank. So how he did this telemark, that whatever the one coin is he found, that he take this coin and in front of that he put one observation. So this way this is his telemark data, whatever the money he count in his piggy bank. Now we have to interpret this telemark in the numeral. Like here the rupees 5, the telemark for this observation 20. So 20 times he found rupees 5. So number of coins and notes it is given here 20. Now we have to count here rupees 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 here, so 9 5s are 45. So 45 notes he found in piggy bank. So we will write here 45. Now rupees 20 note, 1, 2. Here 10, 11, 12. 12 notes. And rupees 50 note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 5s are 45 here. The same number rupees 50 and rupees 10, we can see the same number of notes he get from the piggy bank. Now the rupees 100 note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 5s are 30. So we write here number 30. Now students, what the questions are, few questions are given after this table. I don't have this space so much, so I read from this your textbook. That first question it is given, which coin or note is highest in number? Highest in number we can see from this table, highest in number, this is the 45 and 45 number is highest, but we can say that this is the two notes are he get from this piggy bank the same number of, okay. So rupees 10 and rupees 50. So we will write here answer A, rupees 10 and rupees 50 note or coin. Now coin he is not getting from rupees 50, but rupees 10 coin it is available, so it may be in his piggy bank. Now again I read here the question, which coin or note is highest in number from his piggy bank? So rupees 10 note and rupees 50 note are highest in his piggy bank. Number of notes highest in his piggy bank. Second is, which coin note is least in number? Least in number here, least, that small number we can say here, the lesser number 12. So which note? Rupees 20. So you can write here rupees 20 in front of B question. Rupees 20 he found the least number of notes in his piggy bank. Now the C question, how much money has he saved in the form of rupees 20 notes? Now students, here ask two questions. Understood? That how much money he saved in the form of rupees 50. So in the form of rupees 50, that means here how much money, this is the we found as the number of notes we have written here, but in this question C, it is asked that how much money he saved. So now we are convert these note into rupees. So we will find the actual amount of this note. Actual amount, that means number of notes 45. Yes. So we will get the amount 45 into 50. So we will write here as 45 note into 50. Otherwise, you can write this way for your clear understanding. We have the one note for the rupee. Its amount is rupees 50 multiplied by how many number of notes we have? 45. So here we will get as rupees 2250. Okay. So here the Akhtar get the rupees 50 number of notes 45 and he saved the rupees 50. Actual amount is 2250. Here in this your question it is asked the actual amount. So for that I put it here for the explanation that the number of notes and the actual what is the amount, it is rupees 50 multiplied by number of notes 45. So Akhtar saved his piggy bank in the rupees 50 notes, that the amount is 2250. Now the question D, it is given which two coins and notes in the piggy bank are same in number. Which coin and notes are same in number? Yes, we can see that 45 is the same number here. But and which number or note or coin we say? That rupees 10 and rupees 50. Now student, you get the clear idea that here the question A and D answer are same, but question asked differently. Yes, the first A question it is asked that which coin is highest in number. That we are written here the number of coin or notes what he found in this piggy bank. Yes, the number of notes highest in number, that is also similar here, rupees 10 and 50. And now what question D asks that the same number of rupees or note he found in the piggy bank, that also answer is same, rupees 10 and rupees 50. So you can easily understand the different ways of asking the questions and we get the answer will be the same. But we have to first understand the statement. Okay, understand the question. Now let us see the next one. What is the total number of coin or notes he has? The total number of coins or note he saved in the total number. So here we are counting the number of coins or rupees, note or coins. Okay, that means here amount it is not asked in this question. So we will count this number 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 3, 7, 8, 12, 15. So it will be the total number of notes or coins he saved in his piggy bank are 152. So answer E, you will write that 152 coins or notes he saved. Here not we are writing that 152, this is not, we can say that the total amount he saved. Okay, here let me clear that students, here we are counting the number of coins or notes he saved. Okay, now the next question is asked that how much money did Akhtar give to his father? How much money? So now here we can say that we have to find out the total amount, whatever he saved in his piggy bank. So 152. So now we are calculating here. Now students, we are counting the actual amount of this. Like rupees 5 multiplied by 20. So the actual amount is what he saved as 100 rupees 100. The next is 10 rupee note multiplied by total number of note or coins. These are 45 and we count as the rupees 450. Yes. Now rupees 20 note and the number of notes are 12. So the rupees 12 to the 24, 240. We get as a amount here. Now rupees 50, number of notes 45. We write here 2250 as we found earlier also. Yes. Now here rupees 100. Rupees 100 and number of notes are 30. So the amount is 3000. Now students, here we will find the sum of that total number of notes, total number of amount, then we will get as the answer of last question. Let us we add all this number rupees 0, 5, 9, that 14. 1 is carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 0 is carry forward. It will come to the 100 place, 1000 place. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. And write the symbol of rupees. So here, after save total number of rupees, 6,040 and he gave to his father. So here student, don't make it mistake why it is written here the total number of rupees. We are asking for the amount or number of notes. Okay. So be clear while you are reading the question. If it is asked that the number of notes, then we will write this, and if asked number of that the total amount he saved, or we can say that for 10 rupees how much he saved for the rupees 10. So you can see here rupees 10 and number of notes 45. So he saved rupees 450 in his piggy bank for the coin or notes of 10. So this way you solve this question and understand better.